Hello everybody, Sir Beaton here and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video we'll be tackling some multiple choice type questions on algebra. Let's head straight into it. This question says 15p plus 55q minus 2 open bracket 3p plus 4q is equal to, so they want us to simplify this. So one thing we want to, let me write back the question, 15p plus 55q subtract 2 multiplied by 3p plus 4q is equal to, so we want to do, let's get rid of the brackets first. Let's do some distribution. So we'll multiply this negative 2 by everything in this bracket. So we'll have 15p plus 55q. So negative 2 multiplied by 3p, that will give me a negative 6p. Negative 2 multiplied by positive 4q, that will give me a negative 8q. So we can put the like terms together. We always group the like terms. So I have these two terms here. So when we are grouping, we are moving with the sign in front. Whatever sign is in front, we are moving with that sign. So we'll have 15p subtract 6p plus 55q minus 8q. So we subtract 15p subtract 6p, that would give me 9p. 55 minus 8q, that would give me 47q. So the answer here is simply 9p plus 47q, which is A. So we circle A as our answer. So the next question says 2 raised to the 6th power divided by 2 raised to the 2nd power. So we see the bases are the same, so we put back the base and we subtract the power. 6 subtract 2 would give me 4. So the answer is 2 raised to the 4th power, which is B. So the next question says negative, in bracket, negative 2q, close bracket, subtract 3q is equal to, so the first thing we need to do is simplify these two negatives. So a negative times a negative would be a positive. So you'll have 2q subtract 3q. So 2 subtract 3 would give me a negative 1. So this is a negative 1, and we put back the q, so negative 1q, which would be the same as a negative q. So the answer is simply C. And this one says if p over 5 is equal to 20, then p is equal to, so p over 5 is equal to 20. So they want to find the value of p, so we just take over this 5 is dividing. When we take it over, multiply. So p would be equal to 20 multiplied by 5. And this one was very easy, which will simply give me D as the answer. So this one says, when 7 is added to 3 times a certain number n, the result is 22. So the statement above may be represented by the equation. So it says when 7 is added to 3 times a certain number, so 3 times a certain number n, so this will be 3n. When 7 is added to this, so we plus 7, the result is 22. So the result is 22. So when 7 is added to 3 times a certain number, the result is 22. So it's 3n plus 7 is equal to 22. And this answer here is simply. And with that, this has brought me to the end of this video, in which I tackled some algebraic concepts using some multiple choice type questions. So I want you to keep practicing these types of questions using the concept learned from this video. And I'll see you in the next video, in which I'll be tackling some more questions using the multiple choice type questions approach. So until then, take care.